Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. So finally friends, in this video we are going to discuss the latest update of the Hedera Hashgraph. What's the latest update? What's the latest price of the Hbar? In this video I will share all updates, so keep watch this video complete. But my friends, before starting this video, I request all of you to make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now at this time, the latest price of the Hedera Hashgraph is 0.18183 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Hedera Hashgraph. And furthermore, if we talk about the price change, so now the last 1 hour change is positive. Last 1 day change is negative, and last 1 week change is open. The Hedera Hashgraph is also positive, my friends. So my friends, you know what, in the sometime in the previous week, it's sometime the start pumping, sometime the price jumps. But now you can see here, yesterday, the last 1 day, the price of the Hedera Hashgraph is fast down. But now the latest situation, you can see here that the last 1 hour change is open and the Hedera Hashgraph is positive. So that's really a great news, a good news for all Hedera Hashgraph, that once again Hedera Hashgraph ready to explode, my friends. And I'm also going positive about all cryptocurrencies, not only Hedera Hashgraph, not only Cardano, not only XRP. Every cryptocurrencies have to take a jump in these days, my friends, because it is the last of month, so they have to take a jump, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates.